Are you tired of manually changing aging range every time you open accounts receivable or payable reports in ERPNext? In ERPNext version 16, there is a new feature that allows you to set a default aging range globally, and today I'll show you exactly how it works and why it is useful. Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to configure default aging range in ERPNext version 16. This setting automatically applies aging bucket in reports like accounts receivable, accounts payable, and other aging based financial reports. First, go to accounting, click on account setup and choose account settings. Here we will go to the reports and we have a default aging range here. We can see 30, 60, 90, 120. In the next tab, I have opened the account receivable report. Here we can see the default aging range. Now, if you want to set to 60, 90, 120 or 160, I'll go back to account settings. Let's change the default aging range here. Let's say I want to see from 60 days, 90 days, 120 days, and then up to 160 days. Let's save this setting, and if I go back to the account receivable, let's hard reload it using Command Shift R. Here we can see the aging range has been changed to 60, 90, 120 and 160 from 30, 60, 90 and 120. So we can see aging is updated. Now let's see the columns as well in the report. So I'm scrolling to the right side. Here we can see the range showing up to 160 days. Now let's go to the accounts payable. In this report as well, we can see the updated range, and let's see the columns as well. So in the payable as well, we can see the aging range is applied successfully. So now this is very easy from version 16 that we can set up the default aging range and it will automatically applies when we generate the report. So we don't have to apply the ranges now manually every time. So that's how you configure default aging range in ERPNext version 16. If you found this helpful or useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more ERPNext functional and technical tutorials. Thank you.